I have the perfect build for you, and it won't take long. Matter of fact, I'll be timing myself 15 minutes to build these gifts. I'll be throwing the countdown on the TV, which is probably gonna be a little intimidating, but hopefully keeps me on track just for 15 minutes. I think I got it. Okay, so first things first, I'll be cutting this down to 8 inches. Let's see, 8 inches. Oh, stay up there. Next on the list, I already set this up already, so I kind of cheated, but I don't care. I set my table saw to 60 degrees. Well, that says 60.3, but it doesn't matter at this point. Then we are going to make our cuts. Wow, I have 10 minutes. What the heck? Where did 5 minutes go already? All right, so I know you're probably wondering if this, does this make any sense? But I promise you, it will. Have I ever let you down? Maybe a little bit, but it's okay. Flip it. Okay, so it should look something like this when you're done. Okay, so I wasn't recording, but basically what I did, I marked out 4 holes for my candles, make sure they're evenly spaced, and kind of mark a line so I kept them like using this combination square. I use that to make sure they're all straight at least. Oh gosh, I'm at 3 minutes. I need to set this up as well. It's not having a great day. Let's see. So it looks like my measurement was a little bit off. I'm just gonna. That was the alarm going off, by the way. So I'm just gonna keep on building. That didn't turn out, well, go according to plan at all. Anyways. Oh no, this is not gonna work out. This is way too. I'm gonna put it in there anyways. What do you think? Well, not that he can speak back to me right now. I don't know why I'm asking you that, but this is way too close to the edge, but guess what? I'm already screwed for time, so I'm just gonna do it anyways. Let's see. Actually, no, I'm not. See, I didn't let my bad judgment get the better of me. All right. Alrighty, since I kind of screwed it didn't go according to plan, I'm gonna have to just cut this off right here so it looks like I planned it that way. Just don't tell anybody, alrighty? Now all I gotta do is just sand this down and put some finish on there. Alrighty, as you can see for the basic build, holes drilled with the cuts, rounded off the edges, sanding, that took me, I have another timer going on in the background. That took me what? I can't do math off the top. 15 plus 9, that's 24 minutes-ish, give or take, to build this project. So 24 minutes. Not too shabby, but on to the next. So for this next build, we're gonna need to cut off a 2-inch piece and then a 1-inch piece. So let's get it. And of course, even though I failed the last time, I will be timing myself again. 15 minutes, starting now. See, this is the part that takes the longest, like setting up the camera, That's my excuse. I'm gonna use this excuse as to why I don't get this finished in the 15 minutes. Because I can see in the future. I know I didn't finish this. All right, so we're gonna go with 2 inches here. And then we're gonna go for the 1-inch piece. Okay, okay. All right, we got 12 minutes to go. Next. Honestly, I haven't used this drill press as much as I have now since I got it. It's ridiculous. Let's see. Let's keep going. See, of course the drill press is trying to sabotage me. I guess I didn't have this thing tight enough. Come on. All right, let's try this again. What? What's the problem? Okay. Finally. All right. Now that we got this going, I have 3 minutes, man. But I just can't win. Okay, this is absolutely ridiculously crooked. What was I thinking? I think that drill press just really pissed me off. I didn't even go mark any holes or any. Oh, well, that's my 15 minutes for you guys. All right. Now, from the previous project, we are going to leave the blade in the same exact bevel. And of course, there's one thing I use the most. This dang CA glue. It's my best friend. Oh, gosh. We're gonna need that. Oh, I need this thinner. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. There you go. There you go. Barely made it. Barely. As always, CA glue. This is the idea. Have your candle lit under there. We will finish and do the final reveal at some point in the video. Alrighty. On to the next. All right, y'all, so it's a new day, and this next build needs some dowels. So here I thought I had some dowels in my shop. Turns out I think they're called half round. that's what I had. So I couldn't continue last night, so I went out and grabbed me some full round? I don't think that's what it's called. Anyways, I got a proper dowel. Now let's continue with the builds. All right, guys, so for this build, I'm just gonna cut this factory edge off. All right, then I'm gonna cut this down to 10 inches. Normally I save this until the end, but I think I'm gonna just sand this down now ahead of time because of the cuts that I have to make. So here goes. And I know you could have guessed it. When building candle holders, which I didn't realize, you use your drill press a lot, or drill. Anyways, I'm getting my money's worth out of this bad boy, for sure. All right, now that we got this drilled out a little bit, I'm gonna head back over to the miter saw and cut these down into 3/4 inch pieces. I bet you're probably confused, but you'll see why. And I gotta say, seriously, shout out to every single one of you guys who either watched, liked, or subscribed to my last video that I posted. I was saying I wanted to get to 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I was at 4,000 subscribers by the end of the week. Like literally within 2 days after posting that video. I'm sorry, that's my kid in the background. I'm babysitting. Is it babysitting when it's your kid? Anyways, I just want to say you guys are super awesome, and welcome to the family. And if you still have some hype left or some likes left, please go ahead and hit the like button so this can be pushed out to even more people. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's my son in the background. Like I said, he is trying to take matters into his own hands, threatening you guys to subscribe. But I explained to him it doesn't work like that. Even if he's cute. But seriously, though, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. I guess I'm trying to get to 5,000 by the end of the year, which is amazing to even say. But like I said before in my videos, I'll be giving out free plans whenever I have somewhat complicated builds. These are really not that complicated. I don't think these require builds, but if you guys want build plans for these, I can whip it up in probably a day. So if I get an overwhelming request for builds in the build plans in the comment section, I will go ahead and do so. Like I said, you're my boss. I do what you say. If you watch my recent video, you'll know that I'm kind of scared to use like dark walnut, and that's the only kind of stain I have right now. So I just went with the clear polyurethane. I think this looked amazing on the last candle holders I built last week. So I think, why not? All right, there you go, the final product. Let me know what you think in the comment. Let me know which one is your favorite, or if any of them are your favorite, or if you hate them all. Just let me know what you think about these. Personally, this one on screen right now is my favorite. Oh, oops, looks like I didn't sand that inner part of that cut up there. Anyways, nothing to see there. Now, my suggestion would be to not use actual candles with fires, but just to use battery operated ones off Amazon, simply because I don't want to be responsible for if there should be an accident. If you're going to do that, all I'd say is just make sure you have like fire protection or fire insurance or something like that. But at the end of the day, you do you. Also, a week from today, I'll be doing a video about a crosscut sled that I made. And of course, it's going to have free plans for you if you want it. So be on the lookout for that. Until next time, check this other video out right here.